go. Hello, Francesca. Christine, what are you doing?
I'm gonna start hat. Yeah. Looking high. I mean high. I wish I was high. I want to be high.
Me too.
Can we be high?
Don't even.
I already did.
Being high is funner than being drunk. You puke when you're drunk.
No, you puke when you're stoned too, believe me.
Oh, really?
Mhm. I smoke.
I
Yeah.
like her, Mary. Look at baller.
What?
Sorry.
I'm what?
You're baller.
Baller. I am a baller.
I like her, dude. I like her.
When I get paid, I always a baller in my pocket.
I like her. She's fucking cool.
Shut up.
I'm fucking drunk. I want to be high.
I know you're recording all this, right?
Mhm.
She's like, yeah, why not? Brad, what the fuck are you doing?
Look at how drunk and in there.
Fucking drunk, though. What does it matter? You want my hat? I like her. She's funny.
Ram, come here.
I think they're sober. Do you think they're sober?
Oh no.
I think they're sober.
Hmm.
Okay.
No doubt.
Oh, stop it. You're going to be too mad at my cousin. Are you really boiling water?
What the fuck happened to all my bobby pins and my toothpicks that were in here?